Hello students, hope you all are fine. Myself Dipti Champaneria, teacher at LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. Today I will be teaching English 1. So let's get started. This is our My Learning Ladder English 1 textbook and today we will learn about our first lesson. Lesson number 1, Back to School. It is referred as going to school after long summer vacation. So prior to all, we will try to recall the things that we find in our classroom. That is take-off activity. Here some pictures are given and you have to identify the things which you find or see in your classroom. Take-off activity. Circle all the things that you see in your classroom. First is blackboard. Do you see blackboard in your classroom? Yes. So we will circle the blackboard. Second, bicycle. Do you see bicycle in your classroom? No. So we'll leave that. Then dustbin. Do you see dustbin in your classroom? Yes, we do have dustbin in our classroom. So we will circle the dustbin. Then desk. Do you see desk in your classroom? Yes. Then we will circle. Now window. Do you have windows in your classroom? Yes, we do have. That is why we will circle the window. Then chair. Do you have chair in your classroom? Where do you sit? Yes, on the chair. So we will circle the chair. Then do you have fan in your classroom? Yes, so we will circle the fan. And lastly, do you have bed in your classroom? No, we don't see any such things. So we will just leave that. Then read the following poem and underline the rhyming words. Now, first of all, let me ask you, rhyming words means the word which are different but sounds same at the end. They are known as rhyming words. Here, goodbye summer holidays. It is time for school. Oh, that sounds cool. So here school and cool, they sounds like same. So they are rhyming words. My teachers and classmates. It is so much fun. Hello my new class. Hello my friends. With bags and books, pencils and crayons. I just want to say my classroom, oh boy, is full of joy. Boy and joy. These are the rhyming words. Now let's read the lesson. The school reopens after the summer vacation. It is a big day for John and Kelly. You can see here there is a boy and a girl. The boy's name is John and the girl's name is Kelly. John and Kelly are friends. They are friends. They live in a cottage by the riverside. They walk together to their school every day. They love to go to school. On their way to school, they enjoy seeing the ducks swimming in the pond. You can see in the picture the ducks are swimming in the pond. They enjoy the beautiful smell of the flowers. You can see here they are smelling the flowers. They try to catch the butterflies that fly around the flowers. They jump, hop and laugh all the way to their school. Now, here in these given pictures, their school has a big playground, same like us. Then you can see here it is a very big playground. The library has many colorful books. You can see in the picture there are many colorful books in the library. There is a big assembly hall too. You can see it is a big assembly hall where teachers and students all together perform their prayers. In the school there is a beautiful garden with beautiful flowers. This also you can see in the picture. Now, in this page, the school has a computer lab that has many computers. You can see in the picture it is a computer lab and it has many computers. This is the classroom of John and Kelly and their classmates. You can see the picture of a classroom. It is a John and Kelly's classroom and with their classmates. Their classroom is very big with many desks. You can see there are so many desks and the classroom is very big. Now exercise. John and Kelly have many new things for their new class. Let us look at some of the new things that they have. First of all, a new school bag, a new pencil box, a new box of crayons, a new lunch box, a new water bottle, new pair of shoes and socks, many new notebooks. Now here, number 1. Think of any 4 things that your parents get you when you go to your new class. Write them in the blanks provided. There is 4 blanks and there you have to write the things which you bought for your new class and at the new year. Firstly, notebooks. B. Pencils. C. Water bottle. And D. Books. Now here, every child has daily routine before leaving for school. Now what is daily routine? Every child wake up, get ready, brush teeth, then take bath, have breakfast. These things are comes in the daily routine. So these are the things. Here is Bunny's daily routine. First of all, what Bunny does, wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. After that, brush teeth. After bath, take bath. Then dress up. After that, have breakfast. And lastly, pack the bag and off to school. Then number 2. Look at the following pictures and take right your daily routine before leaving for school. First, brushing teeth. Do you brush your teeth? Yes, then take right. Then ironing clothes. Do you iron your clothes? No, then just leave it. Then taking bath. Do you take bath before going to school? Yes, then we will take right. Then cooking food. Do you cook food? No, then we will just leave that. And lastly, having breakfast. Do you have breakfast before going to school? Yes, that is why we will take right. Now, these are the hard words or new words which we have learned in the lesson. The first is vacation, VACATION. Second, cottage, COTTAGE. Next is riverside, RIVER, river, SIDE, side, river side. After that, friends, FRIENDS, friends. Ducks, DUCKS, ducks. Butterflies, BUTTER, butter, FLIES, flies, butterflies. Flowers, FLOWERS, flowers. Playground, PLAY, play, GROUND, ground, playground. Library, LIBRARY, library. Assembly, assembly, assembly. Now glossary, that is word meanings. First is vacation. Vacation means holidays. Second, cottage means a small house. Third, riverside, the land along a river bank. Pond, a small area of water. Next, lastly, rhyming words which we learned in the lesson. First is school, cool, pool. Boy, joy. Day, say. Walk, talk. Smell, well. Hope, mope. Hall, ball. So this was our first lesson back to school. Thank you.